Hello class 12. Today we are going to study about esterification, that is formation of alcohol and acetic acid by reacting acid anhydride, which is very reactive by nature, and ethanol. This is very important from your examination point of view. So let's come to the reaction directly. Okay, now see here, acid anhydride are very reactive. It is nothing but derivative of acetic acid. This is called acid anhydride. Acid anhydride. Very reactive. It react with, let's say, ethanol. C2H5. Okay. So what happens? Equilibrium. It is an equilibrium maintained reaction where the acid is nothing but the sulfuric acid. That sulfuric acid is nothing but your concentrated one. Okay, concentrated sulfuric acid. To form the product, see how the product is going to form. This is a very polar bond, so the dipole moment, electron pulls from the carbon to the oxygen side, and here also same thing, electron pulls to oxygen side from carbon, making it highly electropositive in character, means electron deficient. It's all electron deficient. So what happens, these will get cleaved. ये टूट जाएगा बॉन्ड, ये टूट करके बॉन्ड, it will get separated. ये अलग हो जाएगा, this will get separated, and what you get the product here? The product will be CH3, CH2, now CH3, CH2, O, C2H5, right? Then plus, what do you get from here? CH3COH, CH3CO. This is called carbonyl group CO. Okay, here also carbonyl group OH, and this product is called ester. Actually, its name is ester, but actual name is, this group name is acetic, but methyl ester. Now this is nothing but this is acetic acid. We know that it comes out as a byproduct. Now see it here. I'll explain. Acid anhydride are very, you're right, very reactive. Very reactive. This is nothing but this is ethanol, means normal alcohol, aliphatic alcohol. When we react, it has got a equilibrium, means formation of the product as well as the reactant will be the reverse, will be equal. And according to Lee-Chatter's principle, what does it do? We have to sacrifice one of the product which is weaker one, and our interest is to get, हम लोग का क्या मिलना है यहाँ पर, acid, ester को मिलना है, acetic acid we don't want. So our motivation is to get the ester. So the formation of the forward reaction, or the direction of the reaction, will move to the forward because of the presence of strong sulfuric acid. Please write this point. Okay. Now here what happens, when the forward direction rate, and this has to be thrown out from the solution. Which one? Acetic acid. This acetic acid must not remain in the solution. It has to be drained out, means continuously removing from the solution mixture. As soon as it is formed, so this should be drained out. Drain means throwing out. Drain out from mixture. Okay, drawn out from the mixtures. Okay, now here the main point, you just try to remember. Acid, anhydride are very reactive, very reactive, and they will react with ethanol in the presence of strong sulfuric acid. Strong means concentrated, with speed up of the reaction, which acts as a catalyst. So catalyst means which increase the rate of the reaction, which acts catalyst and move the direction and move the reaction in forward direction. This is in opposite to the Lee-Chatelier principle. So here you see acid anhydride, which is a very reactive. It reacts with ethanol and alcohol in the presence of the acid, concentrated sulfuric acid. Previously, it was a reversible reaction, means probability of forming both the reactant and the product was same. Now when we put concentrated sulfuric acid, so this concentrated sulfuric acid, what does the function? It will move the direction of the force from the reactant side to the product side. Number second, it will act as a very good catalyst. Catalyst is nothing but which increase the rate of the reaction. Now you come back to here. Now this acetic acid which we don't want, our main target is to get what? Ester, 100% ester. It should be 100% ester. So as soon as acid forms, we have to drain out. Drain out means we have to remove from the mixture acetic acid. So acetic acid are very reactive and they will react with ethanol in the presence of the acid to form ester. Ester name is ethyl methyl ester. So this ester group COO C2H5, or there may be any alcohol group. It may be phenol, it may be methyl, propyl, whatever you add. So you'll get the byproduct as an acetic acid, which will be drained out continuously. We have to drain out to get 100%. And the sulfuric acid will act as a very strong catalyst, means which is going to increase the rate of the reactions and move the reaction in forward direction. See here, move the direction in, not in the reverse direction. If it goes in the reverse direction, we will not get ester. So it will show the direction toward the forward direction and we'll get the ester formation. Okay, then I hope so you'll get it. You pause it and just copy the notes also. Just pause it and just copy the reaction. Okay, till then, goodbye. Thank you.